Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the best place to get music for your videos, whether it be for personal use or business use. Now, let me tell you, I get this question a lot actually. In a lot of my videos where music is involved, I always get asked the same question. Where am I getting my music from for those videos? So today I'm gonna be sharing with you all exactly where you can do that. Now, if you are one of those people that go onto YouTube and type out, no copyright music, or you're searching up, free music to use for YouTube videos, just stop. Let me stop you right there. Do not do that, because I'll tell you, I used to be that guy. Yeah, this guy right here, I used to do that exact same thing. I would go into YouTube, look up no copyright music, free music to use for YouTube videos, whatever. I would find the song that I like, use it in my video. I would credit the artist because it would tell you, you can use this song as long as you credit the artist. So I did all of that, everything I was required to do. And I thought I was good, which I was good for a while until recently. Now, this is from a video I did 2 years ago, and there's been more of these, but this is just one video that I did 2 years ago. I ended up receiving an email like this right here, basically letting me know that, it's not exactly a copyright strike, even though you still run the risk of getting copyright striked later on. But this is basically just telling me that the artist is now taking revenue from my video just for using their music. So what this basically tells me is that the artist ended up going and copywriting that song. So now I basically can't use it. That video is pretty much no good to me anymore. I had to go unlisted or make it private, because otherwise they're just taking revenue from me in every view that I get. And you don't want to risk this happening to you either. So if you're someone who has been doing that, just stop it. Just stop it right now. The best place to get music for your YouTube videos is Epidemic Sound. That is what I have been using personally for all of my videos now. I mean, they got tons to choose from. You can use your computer to look up and download songs, or you can even use your smartphone, which is what I personally use because I edit all of my videos on my smartphone, so I'm able to download music straight to my phone if I really want to. And they got tons of songs to choose from. They got a bunch of featured categories that, you have your now trending, you have your artist releases, online creators, so you can see what other creators are using. You got ads, promos, and trailers, corporate, cinematic, fashion, gaming, podcast, sports. I mean, there's a lot to choose from. And then if you go into genres, there's even more. You got your beats, you got your electronica, hip hop, small emotions, pop, acoustic. I mean, you get the picture. You scroll down even more, you got acoustic, blues, brass, and marching band. You got music for children, for the circus. I mean, there's literally tons of music to choose from with Epidemic Sound. Now, it is a paid subscription, but if you use my link down in the description below, you get to try it out free for 30 days. Now, in my opinion, I mean, that's a long enough time to figure out if it's something that you like or not. So free for 30 days. And if you decide to cancel, at the end of that free trial, your videos are still good. You don't have to, run the risk of getting your videos copyright striked or anything like that. They're still good, even if you cancel the subscription. So, in my opinion, I mean, why not? Why not try it out? See what you think about it, because I mean, you just might like it. They got music for any type of video that you have out there, whether if it's a vlog, a tech video like, what we have here on the channel, or a cinematic stuff, you're making movies on YouTube or whatever. Like I said, it's for personal use and business use as well. They got tons to choose from. You can use instrumentals, or you can use music with lyrics. And summertime is here. So I know a lot of people are going to be, vlogging about their summer, or just making videos about what they're doing for their summer while they're out on a vacation. And, you're gonna want the right music to go with that video. Summertime's a great time to be able to show off what you're doing, kind of like how I spend my summers, and kind of like the video I made right here. So as you can see there, they got the music to go with your videos. And like I said, tons to choose from. So if you do want to try out Epidemic Sound and not run the risk of getting copyright striked, I'll make sure to have my special link down in the description below so you can be able to try it out free for 30 days. And y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Do you think this is more than enough music for you to choose from for your videos? Or if you do already have Epidemic Sound, let me know what you think about it down in the description below. But like I said, I highly recommend using Epidemic Sound. It's what I use. It's never let me down. I've never had any problem with it at all. But again, let me know your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Give it a huge like. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.